Thanks for joining us. I'm Amy Jo Winston. We're in Pleasant View, Kansas. We're at Stutzman's Greenhouse here in Pleasant View, the greenhouse. And joining me once again is Ben. And Ben, you are ready for a perennial preview and getting us ready to plant all of our plants. So what's a perennial?
What's a perennial? As the word implies, they keep coming back every year. But we're running a preview on perennials. And as the season progresses, will be more varieties coming to the stores. But click through the perennial period, 20% off. Your choice, any size of pot.
And a great way to get started
it really
while you're planning things.
Absolutely.
So let's go back to why things actually grow and go here, as I say. It's because of the soil, the fertilizer. You grow everything.
We grow everything.
We can grow it just for here in Central Kansas.
You know,
right?
the soil that we've used is our own private label also.
One of the secrets to your success.
It really is one of the secrets to our success, if you would. But no, it's what we have done is also select plant material that truly do perform here in our climate.
Okay, 12 locations. They can
Correct.
visit the one nearest them, but we want to mention that Andover, you have a new location there.
New Andover location at Central and Andover Road. Really excited about that.
Okay, that's all at Stutzman's Greenhouse. Be sure to visit one of the 12 locations and don't forget about the new location at Andover. For more information, go to stutzmans.com and don't forget to enjoy the perennial preview sale going on now.